So I was out for a ride today and came upon, driving down the road, I could see a big cloud of black smoke in the distance. So I followed it, and this is what transpired. Keep watching. So it was a tractor fire, a farm tractor with a big cultivator on it, and it caught fire and burned up completely. It was fully engulfed. The firemen weren't even in a big rush. It was too far gone to really be worrying about. Mainly they were just looking at saving the buildings, making sure nothing was going to catch them on fire. And that's pretty much it. So that was a little better than we thought. I thought at first it was a house fire, but turned out it was just equipment fire, and hopefully everybody's okay. Nobody got hurt or anything like that. We'll just have to hope. I don't think we'll hear anything on the news tonight about it not big enough to hit the TV. Anyway, have a good night. It's Jarvis Biker saying please like and subscribe, and see you on the next one. Bye.